Hello, welcome to Spy Money. I get a lot of people ask me they want to see profits. How much are the other people in the group making and so forth. And so I'm going to show you a little bit about what goes on. This is for today. Donna, she has Apex accounts. She used our trade copier with our strategy that we use and the indicators and so forth and made this today. It's about 450 over 20 accounts, so roughly $9,000 or so. Then this one's me. I was laid up in bed all day, had a migraine, so I just barely traded today. So $631. My Apex accounts down here, they are pending through the valuation, so they will be turned on live on Friday. And then this one here, he has roughly $500 each. That's about $10,000 on his. And this one, $975. This one here, he traded micros today. So it's about $200 over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So it's about $3,000 on micros today. And Sadisky, he usually does one trade and done. He got over $10,000 on his Apex. And then Jerry, he pulled in. He tries to get between $300 and $500. He did a few trades. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it's about $3,000 there. And this guy's brand new. He's only been with me about a week, and look what he did today. He's got 20 accounts, so he did roughly $19,000, $20,000 in profits today on Apex. 785. Got about $1,400, $1,500 there for him. And then Hubert also did his Apex account, so he's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them. A little over $3,000 there. And this one is the same as the one earlier. He finished up with around $20,000 or so, a little over 20. And again, this one right here, let's see, first NQ trades with Apex, MEQ are in the rear mirror. He was trading the micros at first, and then he ended up switching over to the minis. This one here, he did the London Open. He lives in Sweden, this guy. So he's got, that's why the comments of the period, that's actually $105. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Roughly a little over $1,000 on those. And let's see here. This was last night I traded, got my micros done, and you can see here the profits just keep right on going. There's nothing to hide. Occasionally someone will have a bad day, but for the most part, people make money in our group, and it just keeps on going. There's just a lot of profits, a lot of different people. Not everybody will post. This guy was brand new. This was a few days ago, I think Friday. He did this on Sim, trying it out. He was up $3,500. He's wanting to trade 5 minis is what he wants to do. And then when we go into the spot bot profits, you can see here, Scalp God, he does a lot of different bots, different ones. This one's $165. He did $615 total on this. And Lauren, she's new. She's only been with us about not even a week. And you can see this right here. She was having some mistakes in the beginning. She ended up getting back green. This one was still red, but still, she came out really good. These are Apex accounts. She got 10 of them. Scalp God, he did this one, Sim, trying out a different bot. And this one right here, he's roughly a little over $3,000 on that. He did his one trading out, and so he's got about $5,000 there. And these are today. Let's see here. Now this was yesterday. So the bots, people do different things. They do manual, they do bot. Everybody does a little bit of different, but here's the profits. I mean, it's just, he's doing Renko bots, what he uses. And she was having trouble with the screenshot, but she made 257. These are all really good profits from people. Beast Bot is what he did on this one, $1,100. And he did Beast Bot. This would have been the same one here. Totaled out $1,100. 555. Then he got about $1,000 here. 500. So you can see, I mean, there's a lot of people just making money. And that's what I really like to see. I don't have everybody posting in here. I wish they would, but I don't have everybody posting. But it does real well. A lot of people want to ask about the Discord and stuff. It is a real thing. We post our profits in here. Everybody does a pretty good job. And it's just a matter of learning. If we go right on up through here, you can see that there's, profits every day. This one right here, he was doing my strategy. This is the one I teach, which is this over here. And, he got, about a little over $2,000 on these Apex. Hit this one did what, $7,500 there. Easy peasy. He's says he's been with us few weeks now. Few weeks. We got quite a bit here. This one here, this is the sweet guy. And it's just going over and over. You can pause this and look at the different ones, but it just keeps on going. So it's actually working out real well. People are making money. That's the main thing. I really like to see the profits in here. It really makes me feel really good knowing that what I'm doing is actually working out for people. So I really like it. The strategy that we're using is the Brad strategy. And here it is. I've got it looking. It's barely moving tonight. I traded it a little bit tonight, but it was just choppy. But it's actually working out really well. We've got different things going on with it. And how do you get involved with it? Excuse me. You go to spymoneyllse.com, then go to the Ninja Suite. When you go there, that will open this up. There's a little video here you can watch. Kind of let you know what's going on with it. Right here is a list of what you get with it. Our number one is Spybot Scalper, which is this right here. That's our number one bot. I have a bot that does my strategy as well. Frequently asked questions. These are questions I get daily, so I decided just to put them on the website. And it should answer about every question you've got. One of the things I get constantly is, can I lease just one of the bots or the indicator? No. It's all one package. And the PCs, you can only get one machine ID. If you need two, it's another lease. I don't discount it or anything. It's one per user. Can you join the Discord before leasing? Absolutely not. It's not open to the public. It's only open to the Ninja Suite people. The reason for that is because we share a lot of stuff in there that the public don't need to know. And if I open it up to the public, it just causes too much drama and so forth, so I do not do it. When you receive the bots and indicators, as soon as you lease it, you get it. You can go through this and read it. A lot of people ask me about my trade copy or which one I use. We build our own. We don't use any third-party software. We build everything ourselves, and that way it's working the way we want it to work. And as far as the email back guarantee, no, there are no refunds with it. Never has been. Most people, for the most part, our retention is very high. We get the people that's been with us a long time. And funded accounts. Does it work with funded accounts? Absolutely. Right here, Apex is our number one. We recommend them over everybody since they changed the rules. And I even put a little breakdown here of how things work with it. Apex just blows UProfit out of the water, and UProfit's better than the others. Apex is by far the best one. No doubt about it. You can get paid twice a month now. You only have to wait 10 days between the trading and stuff. So whenever you get your live account, you have to trade 10 days before you can qualify for a payout. It's just the best one, by far the best one. We like it a lot. Daryl's doing a real good job. You get 50% off right now. It was 80, but right now you got 50% off. UProfit's 40. If you click on this up here, it will show you your coupon. So when you scroll down, right here's your coupon code. You can just put that in, and it will drop this down to about $83 or so, 84. Give you a good little discount there. And as far as the contact, a lot of people ask, I want to talk to you before I do it. You're more than welcome to. Put your name, email, phone number, best time to contact you. Put it in Eastern time because that's what I'm in. And I don't know where you are. If you just tell me Eastern time when you'd want to talk, that would be great. And I will set up a time to get with you. Make sure you put this in your filter to not go to spam. Sometimes my emails go to spam, so make sure you check that. But if you have any questions or anything, let me know. Be more than happy to talk to you, explain how we use the Ninja Suite here. This is more than what we normally have on the chart, but I'm testing some things, so I've got a few other things on there. Everything on here is 100% automatic. You don't touch it. The channel, everything, it just draws out, tells you what to do. Have any questions, let me know. Be happy to get you started. Um, oh, one other thing, a lot of people ask, how long is it before I start making money? Every trader is different. Usually within 3-4 days, people have their strategy learned and they're trading micros and into minis, and it's usually within a week. Usually people are doing it. Have any questions? Let me know. Have a great night.